In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Discord account always online 24/7. If you want your Discord account to appear online all the time, there are a few things you should know. Your online status is only shown while Discord is actively running and connected to the internet. In this video, I'll show you the settings you can use to help keep your account online whenever your computer is on. To begin, open Discord on your computer and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once Discord is open, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open User Settings. From there, scroll down and select System. Look for the option that allows Discord to open automatically when you sign into Windows. Turn this setting on so Discord starts each time your computer boots up without requiring you to launch it manually. Next, stay in the Settings menu and make sure Discord continues running in the background when your computer starts up. This prevents the application from exiting completely if you accidentally close it, helping your account remain connected. Now click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner of Discord. A status menu will appear. Select Online to make sure your status is set correctly. If your status is set to idle, do not disturb, invisible, or offline, your account won't appear as online to other users. After you've finished adjusting these settings, leave Discord running while your computer remains powered on and connected to the internet. As long as the application stays open and connected, your account will continue to appear online. Keep in mind that if your computer is shut down, put to sleep, loses its internet connection, or Discord is completely closed, your online status will no longer be displayed. To appear online continuously, your device in Discord must remain active. If you're using Discord on multiple devices, your status may change depending on which device is currently connected. For the most consistent results, keep Discord running on the device you use most often with a stable internet connection. That's all there is to it. By enabling Discord to start with Windows, keeping it running in the background, and setting your status to online, you can help ensure your account stays online whenever your computer is active. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,